Hi, so today we are going to solve today's daily read code challenge, and today's problem is majority element 2. So what that means is if any number occurs more than n by 3 times, we have to return that number, right? So for example, if we have 3 to 3, so n by 3 is 1, so any number occurring more than 1 times, we have to return it, right? This time it's 3. So here the length is 2, n by 3 is 0, so any number occurring more than 0 we have to return, correct? So since we have to keep a track of how many times any number occurred, we have to use one hash map, right, to keep a track of the count, and we have to return a list. So for now I am keeping a set, and later on I'll return the list of this set, right? And we'll keep a count which will be nothing but the condition they have given. So the count should be length of the number by 3, right? So any number occurring more than the count, we have to add it to return, right? Now what we are doing, instead of the hash map as a normal map, we can use a default dictionary with the int type, right? What will this do is, if any of the key doesn't exist to this hash map, if you try to call, it won't give you any error, it will give you 0 by default, since we have used int here, right? Now let's go through all the numbers and check if this number has been added. This is the reason why I took added as a result. Let's give it a name, result. This is the reason why I kept result as set, because if we keep this as list, this check will take order of n time, and if you use set, it will take order of 1, because set use hash map internally, right? If this number already exists in our result, then we'll not do anything, we'll continue, right? And if it doesn't exist, then we will add it to hash map. We'll increase the count, right? Like whatever was there earlier, we'll just increase it by 1. If it didn't exist, then we will just add 1 to it, right? That will be handled by default dictionary. We need not to check if this num exists or not, right? Now let's check if whatever count we got now, for this number, is it greater than count? If yes, then we are going to add this number in result, right? Also we are going to delete it from hash map. Like, why to keep it? We know we are never going to use that number, right? And at last return list of result. Let's run it and see. Okay, what is a dictionary object? Oh, sorry. So if we give it open close, this works as a dictionary. We have to write set explicitly for result. Yeah, so as you can see, it beats 95% in runtime, which is pretty good, because why this happened is, like, we are not like storing, like keeping a track of the count every time, and then at last we are going and checking if that count. So what we could have done instead of this is, like, we will just increase the count here whenever we get any number, and then we can do another for loop where we'll go through the hash map, and then we'll say if hm num is greater than count, result dot append num, right? Here we can use num as list. So this also can be another solution. You can try it and let me know which one is working better. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like the video if this was helpful, and also let me know in comment section if I can improve in any way. Thank you. Thanks for watching.